Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Harmony Taylor. She's a Butler County 4-H member, member of the Teen Council, and several other things, and we're going to hear a little bit about that today. Tell me a little bit about your 4-H experience. How did you get started in 4-H?
So I got started in 4-H as a Cloverbud. We do local day camps in Butler County, and we do lots of arts and crafts projects and cooking projects that we then enter in the state fair. And I got started going to those and attending local 4-H summer camps.
The official 4-H age is 9, right?
Yes.
And so Cloverbuds are children a little bit younger than that. So you started at an early age.
Yes, I started pretty early on in my 4-H journey, and then I continued into things such as our local teen club and STC.
Yeah, now tell me a little bit about STC.
STC stands for State Teen Council, and it's a board where we help plan events like Teen Summit and Teen Conference for people all over the state of Kentucky.
Yeah, so that's quite an experience. And you guys have a week-long teen conference where you guys have workshops and celebrations and, accomplishments that you're recognized there in Lexington.
Yes, I love Teen Conference. It's one of my favorite 4-H events. We all have lots of fun there, and there's lots of learning opportunities. We also get the chance to serve the local community of Lexington because we have different community service projects that we all do.
Yeah, and I think that's so neat because in 4-H, you can kind of find your own niche. Like if you're interested in photography or dogs. And then there's that service part of it as well. And so what has been your favorite 4-H experience?
I think my favorite 4-H experience has just been being able to serve on State Teen Council, but then also bring back those ideas from the state back to my local community, and being able to serve my local community and the state in different ways.
Yeah, and so if parents are out there watching and they're like, how do I get my kid involved? How would they get their child involved in 4-H?
I would say the easiest way to get your kid involved is to just go to your local extension office and see what they have available, what type of programs. If some counties offer day camps, some offer cooking camps. So most every county in Kentucky will offer your 4-H camp experience, and those are all really neat and different opportunities that will help teach these kids lots of different skills.
Yeah, like what are some of the things that you feel like have been the most valuable lessons that you've learned? Like what has 4-H provided you?
It's provided me with so many communication skills and public speaking. I have been able to go into places and just talk, and I was definitely not able to do that before 4-H. And then I've also been able to improve my problem-solving skills. There's lots of situations that you get put in that you have to think on the spot and figure out what needs to be done, and it's just helped me improve all those things a lot.
And you talked about teen council,
Yeah.
On an area, state level. And so 4-H provides an opportunity for you to have leadership roles too. And so I'm sure you've probably developed leadership skills. Has that been the case?
Yes, it has. We've also, for day camps, we get to teach. And so it's provided a lot of teaching skills in that, and learning how to teach younger children and learning how to just differentiate between age groups and how you need to teach them and what you need to teach them.
What's the favorite thing that you've taught?
I think I really like teaching cooking.
Uh-huh.
I've definitely learned a lot along the way too, and how to teach people how to cook certain things and making sure everyone's properly handling safety and everything like that too.
So you're going to be a senior next year. So what are some of your 4-H goals for your senior year?
I hope to become a 4-H state officer, and I would love to do that in order to just give back to the program that's given back so much to me. And I would love to be able to serve in that capacity as State Teen Council, which currently kind of serves as advisors to the state officers, and it's been neat working with them and seeing all that they do and all they contribute.
Yeah, it's a huge commitment. You travel the state to different 4-H events and plan those. All right, well, Harmony, I appreciate you visiting with us today. And if you're interested in getting your child involved with 4-H, make sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day.